Storm Internet Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Storm Internet's plans and services are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Storm Internet is a Canadian internet service provider specializing in rural and underserved areas, primarily in Ontario and Quebec. Unlike major telecom companies, Storm focuses on delivering reliable internet through fixed wireless and fiber options, catering to users who struggle with connectivity due to location. Their fixed wireless service provides speeds up to 100 megabit per second, while fiber connections available in select areas offer speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. One of Storm's key advantages is its focus on rural customers, bridging the digital divide where big providers often fall short. The company also offers business solutions, including dedicated internet access, VoIP phone services, and managed network solutions for enterprises operating in remote areas. Storm Internet is designed for rural residents, small businesses, and anyone outside major urban centers needing a dependable internet connection. It's an excellent alternative to satellite internet, offering lower latency and more stable speeds. Their local customer support is a major plus, with a reputation for being responsive and focused on troubleshooting issues unique to rural connectivity. The biggest strength of Storm Internet is its commitment to serving areas where traditional providers offer limited or no service. The flexibility of their plans, no strict data caps, and the availability of business-grade solutions make it a strong choice for those needing a reliable connection outside major cities. Additionally, their fiber expansion in select regions provides high-speed connectivity that rivals national providers. However, there are some drawbacks. Fixed wireless internet is highly dependent on line-of-sight access to transmission towers, meaning speeds and reliability can vary based on location, weather, and physical obstructions. Installation costs may be higher than typical urban ISPs, and service availability is still limited compared to larger providers. While Storm's pricing is competitive for rural internet, it may not always be as cost-effective as urban fiber plans from major ISPs. Overall, Storm Internet is a solid choice for those in rural Ontario and Quebec looking for a reliable alternative to satellite or DSL. If you live in an area with limited internet options, it's worth considering. Check the description for plan details and let me know your thoughts in the comments.